How to install APK files on Android. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Android tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install APK files on your Android phone. So if maybe you downloaded an app or game that is in the APK file format, in this video, I'll show you how to get that installed on your Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like, because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started with installing APK files on our Android phone, the first thing you need to do is simply download the APK file. And for me, I downloaded Fortnite. You want to be careful when downloading APK files to get them from a trusted source because they can be malicious or hurt your phone. So once you have the APK file downloaded, simply open up the list of apps on your phone, find the Files app, and open up the Files app. Once in here, you might see the APK file in your recent files, or you can just go to Downloads and find it right there. As you can see, Epic Games app.apk. From here, simply select the APK file. And when you do that, you'll see that Google is actually blocking this because it's from an unknown source. So what we need to do, rather than selecting cancel here, select settings. Now all we need to do is select allow from this source. So go ahead and toggle that on. And now when we go back and try to open up the APK file again, it'll ask if we want to install the app. Go ahead and select install. And then it will start installing that APK file on our Android phone. All right, so that's how you install APK files on an Android phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Android tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.